This wood I'm sawing up from a log is eucalyptus polyanthemos, commonly known as red box. One of the hardest gums there is, one of the hardest hardwoods there is. Very difficult to cut. But of course it can be done. This is about a bit over 5 years old of a living tree then, and it fell off in a big branch and too big to cut on a very steep slope, and we rolled it down this hill after it was cut from that tree up in the big one up there. The back of that it came from, and it got rolled down the slope. This has been dead for a long time, an extremely hard wood. I'll demonstrate. No impression. Try the sharp end. Just a slight impression. That is like steel. So these are the wood shavings of a well sharpened saw, even though it's cutting through the extremely hard wood, cutting down the length of it. And these are the shavings where it's cutting across the grain. With a bit of help from the vehicle pulling the rope to turn it over, I managed to flip this log, so now I can have another go at it. Cutting these up because they're too damn heavy to lift. Still going to be too much to lift. I'll just have to move them off to the side so I can get my vehicle out of here and get some help to get them onto a trailer.